Good morning again, bro.
Good morning.
Hey, Siad, good morning, bro.
Morning again. I don't know. I don't know what's happening with my Wi-Fi. It's been having some problems.
Bro, I'm so happy right now because I just saved my loss to just 2 pips.
Chloe, cut, please. You know, cut.
Guys. Very sorry, very sorry. It's been some problems with connection since yesterday. They fixed it, I think, but I'm still having problems here and there, unfortunately. Very sorry. Hopefully it doesn't happen. No, it's not my fault. I have router or all these kind of things. They're all the best possible. It's just their fault, not mine. They are having some general problems, so everyone has it, not just me. But hopefully it's gonna be fixed, and I don't have to deal with this. It's the worst thing. No internet is the worst thing ever.
We all are addicted.
So, I got interrupted on a question. Aga, so yeah, we are in between two zones here on the 4 hour because we also created this 4 hour small resistance tool and also this one here. Would I look for selves here? I don't know honestly. Maybe I would. This is a pretty good strong support. But I would be happier to take buys here than sells. Because on the 1 hour it doesn't really make sense. It's not as simple as it looks on the 4 hour. So I'd rather wait for buys but have a good breakout. Maybe also 4 hour breakout would be great. Would be very happy with that. We'll see what happens. Right now your NCT will be also pretty good, but it's pretty far right now. Your cat is closer. Ash, what did you say? You said that you saved by not getting stopped? You got saved?
Yes, I said that I was very happy because it was just hitting my stop loss and it retraced all the way back and I just closed at -2 pips. So it was
Yeah,
like
great.
it
I
felt
would
good.
suggest others too if you're in better, close. It's not the same as it was before. It's not the same now. Personally, I didn't take it as I said before. I didn't just feel safe. But if you took it already before me, look for a small loss, 2 pips maybe, 3 pips, or
Bro,
a break even.
actually, the thing is, it just touched the flat 5500 level and rejected all the way back. So maybe that's the reason for the impulse rejection.
I think it's a daily range. Yeah, it is also on a daily. So it might have some problems because we have plenty of rejections around here. Plenty of rejections, and this can all affect on lower time frames breakout. So I think a 4 hour breakout would be much more convincing, I think. So I'd rather wait for the 4 hour. Might take some time, but it's gonna be worth it. It's still Monday. We have plenty of time. EJ was perfect. EJ was, yeah, pretty good. It was a pretty good setup, but it's the worst that's happening inside of this consolidation. It was on that first break and retest here. And I heard someone before, isn't GBP supposed to fill the gaps? It doesn't mean at all that it should fill the gaps. It doesn't mean at all. It just can leave the gaps and move the whole new direction. No trades on GBP right now, sir. No, sir. We don't have an explanation GBP USD because nothing is happening right now. It's at resistance. Maybe later on it breaks. Even if it breaks, it's going to be at another resistance. So it's a messy pair right now, and better to avoid trading it. CAD JPY still staying above CAD JPY. I think a better setup would be here, maybe something like this. Just some continuation on CAD JPY. This could be a better option. If it comes after this whole big rejection, coming all the way above, closing above, we might have a nice continuation all the way to this next zone here. And also we're coming from a 4-hour support. Also daily, I think, yeah. So we'll see. We'll see. I think we have plenty of choices today, but we're gonna have to wait for them. It might take a bit time. Hi, I'm from Cambodia. Nice, welcome.
Wow, welcome.
We are worldwide.
I was there last year.
Really? How is it?
In Cambodia, there is this place where Tomb Raider was filmed.
Oh, okay. Let me see.
It's a temple, yeah.
Country on Asia. I've
Yeah,
heard about
Angkor
this,
Wat
but
it's
yeah.
called Angkor Wat. ANGKOR and then WAT. That was a crazy place. Like insane temple.
Yeah, this is crazy. Vincent, very nice, man. You live in a beautiful country. Interesting place. Gold is going nowhere yet. It's still in this consolidation box. Wait for a breakout. When you see a good close below, something like this. Let me see here. When you see something like this, then you have a good breakout. You wait for a retest, and you expect some continuation after the retest. So right now there's no setup there. It's still just projecting support. You have to wait for confirmation. Don't go blindly taking positions. Right now we don't really have much. We have to wait. Man, if this UNZD would go all the way bullish and close above, that would be epic. I wouldn't think twice for taking buys there. Okay. What are you guys saying for Aussie dollars? Aussie dollar is just at resistance. I don't see much happening there. Unless it breaks above this. Then okay, we would have something to talk about, but right now I don't see much. This Canadian Japanese yen, it's gonna be good, I think. AUD CAD, okay, so do you see that you are getting rejected, right? These are rejections from daily. It can be too risky to take buys. If you know one of the rules we have, a price coming from another zone is too risky, especially coming from a massive daily resistance. So it can be too risky, even though this 1 hour zone is pretty good, but I would rather skip it. I think for me, it would be too risky. Your cat, good rejection. Let's see. If this goes bullish, we're closing above, hopefully. There's no trade on GBP pairs, guys. There's no trade. We have a lot of Brexit talks. We're gonna try to stay away from GBP at least. We have other pairs that we can trade. So, see your CAD, your NZD. There are good setups coming up. So there's no need to rush to trade GBP because we can have unexpected news anytime. Anytime you can see a big bearish or bullish candle, you never know. Just some patience because something is gonna come. It's still morning, Monday morning, so we have plenty of time. Don't rush things. Plenty of time. Just wait. Something it's gonna come up. Something's gonna come up. Just patience.
Even the colors of this monitor now is more beautiful, Malo. This one here. Yeah.
Yeah, guys, it's not a new thing. We usually have to wait, and the same thing we're gonna do again. We're gonna wait until a worthy setup comes. Otherwise, we're just gonna be forcing a trade and getting some stupid loss that it's not needed. So just some patience. Some patience, and a trade will show up sooner or later. It's just a matter of time. When it's gonna come. We have time, can wait. We are not in a very big rush, so I'll just wait. We have a few more minutes to wait, and then we'll see. The new 1 hour close will give us some ideas on what to do. What happens sleeping? No, he was here. Maybe just went somewhere. CAD, Euro, CAD, gold. We talked about gold on Friday. Gold can have a nice continuation to the downside. So it just right now it's in this small consolidation. I don't know if I can say small. It's pretty big actually. If it breaks, just know one thing: gold can easily turn into a fake out. Look at how strong this candle was, and it turned out to be a fake out. You can't really trust gold. But at least if you're gonna trade it, at least wait for a good breakout. Has at least better chances to work out than just buying support or selling resistance. To be honest, I don't know what to expect this week because last year it was not a bad month. December. So this year it's also a bit different because of Brexit. We'll see. Please stop the snow falling. What is wrong with you guys? What is wrong? Why do you guys don't want to snow? It doesn't, interfere anything. It's just snow. It's just snow. It represents that we are on winter now. Look, guys, I'm gonna keep it still, okay? Sorry if you don't like it, but I do like it. Cat JPY looks like it's not breaking up. What if we break below? If we break below, I wouldn't be a very big fan of breaking below. Can't see your arrow. No, it doesn't stop seeing from anything. I've done tests. I've done all the tests needed. It all looks perfect. It looks great. Someone is saying, my dad used to trade Forex. One day he lost a lot of money. He left me and my mother and never seen him since. Sounds like a false story. But who knows? Maybe it happened. Hello from Eritrean. Where is this place?
I think it's in Africa, right? There is a Turkish Eritrean person who was in the Olympics for Turkey.
Oh, it's a country on Eastern Africa. I'm hearing some places I've never heard before, but there are no photos of the country, only people. So many different places in the world, it's crazy. Did you get my email? I don't know. What did you ask for, Luz? You guys are destroying the winter theme here. I don't know what's wrong with you guys. The snow is good. Why are you complaining? It doesn't stop anything, you know. I watch it from my phone, it's perfect. It doesn't affect anything. Luz, how to copy my trades? It's very easy. Just follow the link you have on the stream here, on the description. It doesn't get easier, but let me send you the link. I'm gonna send you the link here on the chat, and just follow this link, and it's everything there. You just gotta push a button there. If you guys don't like the snow, I'm gonna stop streaming, so you better like it. Not doing without it. No snow? Okay. No snow, no trades. As you wish. No snow, no trade. You guys don't know that I miss the snow, okay? Haven't seen snow for 2 years. I'm gonna start to watch snowing videos too. I'm gonna make it even more annoying.
Oh, that doesn't look like we'll get any setup right now.
Yeah, pretty slow. Was hoping your USDT is gonna push, but it came around here and dropped again. No trades yet, no trades yet. We're just waiting. UJ? No, UJ is not on my list. Not gonna trade UJ. Your JPY is dropping. What if we think about some sells here? We got all the way to the downside, closing below the previous 4-hour candle. Interesting.
I think that could work.
But we're not gonna have a 4-hour close. So 1 hour coming, 4 is going to be a rejection.
I think daily was a retest, probably.
Daily is a mess, actually. And daily is a mess. Based on daily, I can't really say anything. I mean, the daily closed pretty good. I would say we could have some more continuation after daily made a whole pullback of the previous one, made a recovery. Then I would say, okay, we're going to continue, but it opened with a gap. It opened with a gap. It opened above this support, so it respected support. Now we're getting a whole drop to the downside. Maybe we're going to continue the original way that we had. So we'll see. Do you trade all the through December or stop soon? I don't know. We'll see. I don't know. I like the 1 hour. I mean, we try to go up. We closed above. We did a retest. We pushed a bit, but see, we got another resistance there. Then going all the way to the downside, closing below. The retest should be pretty big, but I think we can easily continue down after the retest. Well, we don't have much in between these two zones, so I think it's a free range to this zone here. Looks like it's not going to give us a chance here because it's closer to support than to resistance. I mean, who knows? We might have a retest, but we'll see. We will see. Your cat fake out. I don't know. Let's see. I don't trust your AUD. As a setup, let me see in my chart too. First of all, your cat is in two zones. It's in between this one and this one. We talked about this earlier. So taking a fake out would be too risky because you have this 4-hour support right next to it here. So it's a bit risky. Let's take a look at EA. EA support, I think it's the same that you drew on the 1 hour. Let's see, yeah. I think I'm gonna skip EA. It's not in a good position to sell. I think I'll skip it. I mean, your NZD could be maybe good. No, I'm more of a buy guy. No, that doesn't matter, but it's to the upside. We have a better range to fill. To the downside, I don't really like it. I don't know. Not interested to take anything there yet. AUD US dollar. To take AUD US dollar, you're gonna have a whole break of at least 6-7 pips. And right now, it doesn't really feel like it's gonna break, and it doesn't feel like there's enough momentum. See the daily, it's no one's land right now. I like to have more rejections here because it's a fresh zone, it's a new zone. We need to make sure that's gonna respect that zone. Cat JPY. I don't know. I think EJ is the best right now. Also, guys, on the weekend I found out someone was pretending to be me on Telegram. So don't get fooled, okay? Be smart. Go to my official page here, breakaritas.com. Everything you have is on the description. My username on Telegram too. So when you want to contact me on Telegram, you see that I have the Telegram channel, the YouTube, and live real results. If you want to text me, go get in touch. When you go get in touch, it sends you to my Telegram. Easy, see? So don't be fooled and go to different people offering you signals, 100% returns, and all these kind of stupid things. You know, whenever you see that, you know it's not me. See, it's a simple button, get in touch, sends you to my Telegram, that's all. He deleted it and disappeared. It's one of us here. Someone in the chat probably.
Oh shit.
Trying to get something quick. Quick money is not good money. You need to earn it the right way. It's like playing gamble. You'll never see where that money goes. It just disappears. It's not hard-earned money.
Just for losers. If you're a loser.
I saw an old man that won the lottery. He said that every month he spends, he goes to a different country. He uses the money in the right way. He travels. Imagine every month he has like 1 or 2 weeks vacation.
Said, when will you enter on EJ?
On EJ, I don't know, 200 maybe. 200, 230. I mean, 250 is the best entry, but I don't know if it's gonna come. I think 230 would be the best entry. What's stopping? Yeah, we don't have visa. We don't have visa. We can't go nowhere. We're in a prison, but not in a prison, but in somehow a prison. Is that really hard? Yeah, it is. You have no idea. Especially if you are young, because they think that once you go, you're not going to come back. They are afraid that we're going to leave the country because there were so many people leaving the country in, you know, in a different ways without visas, going not legit. Then they are afraid because, of course, you don't want to be in a country where you don't get, they don't offer you something, you know, at least.
Come on, EJ.
Sounds like Poland 40 years ago. It just shows you how how far behind we are right now. We're way behind of everyone. Still nothing, guys, still nothing. Just wait. Your NZD dropped all the way down. Your cat is in between two zones, this 4 hour and this 4 hour resistance. 4 hour support, 4 hour resistance. It's in between. Gonna have to leave it alone. Cat JPY closed a bit below, but I don't trust this. It's too weak. 2 pips. Only EJ has a good break. Yeah, same here. They don't give us because they're afraid we're not gonna come back. And they are right. Wherever goes, no coming back. The first one is me. Not coming back. Maybe once in a while. Just once in a while to check some people I know. Okay, let's see what we have here. Interesting. Entered on the retest. Had my stop loss 20 pips below, but changed it to 15 because I thought it didn't need to be so low. Took this silly L. Was this break and retest valid? And do you have any more tips for me? First of all, I think I wouldn't even trade this, but I need to get a better view on this. So you took buys on this level here. Right? Yeah, I think so. Yeah, I don't know. It's just GBP was not very stable. Your idea was good. It did break above, did a retest here. So I don't see what you did wrong there. Maybe you just had to use 20 pips stop loss because GBP sometimes needs more space to work on. So even though, look, if you took buys here, it closed back in the range. Maybe it gave you a chance to get out before and you wouldn't take a loss. But generally it was a good idea here. A break above this. I think you just needed a bigger stop because it's GBP. That's all. CJ has a weak breakout, so yeah.
Let's go 5 more pips on EJ.
it's good that you have internet to access the world. Well, internet is just gonna make you dream, because you can watch but you can't go. It's even worse that it makes it worse because you want to go but you can't, and then you see all these beautiful places around the world. So I don't know. No, no, guys, I can go to some countries, but it gets boring that to go the same places all over and over again. So in some places that I can go, I've already been now. Going again and again, it gets boring. Yeah, we'll have a solution soon. No worries. Gonna visit you guys then. Go to India, yeah. The best place. Going to India soon. What if you don't get retest now? Will the entry price break the previous candle? If it goes below the previous candle, probably is going to come all the way down here. Means the move is probably done by then. That's the only problem. Usually, if price makes a 10 pips drop after the breakout candle, I try to avoid that and not trade anymore. Usually. My plan is to visit Albania next year. Yeah, Albania is great. You will be pleased if you go there. We're in India. I'm not going to India now.
That if you already went on either on 4 hour and daily, I must have missed it, but can you look? Because it looks to me like it's like on a support on on daily and 4 hour as well. No?
Yes, 4 hour. I don't really see a 4 hour support here. I just see
those
this.
dodges, just there. On
Yeah.
exactly where the candle is now.
This, probably,
Yeah.
right? Yeah, I don't see that as a strong zone. If you go on the 1 hour, we have free range all the way to this zone, but it's not a very big one. So daily, maybe on the daily you're right. Daily can be at support. I don't know. It's a mess on the daily, honestly. The clear picture is on the 1 hour from this zone to this next zone, but looks like it's already gonna make the move. But if we got the retest, I think would be good, because we didn't really have a zone until here. All these wicks you see, they all came from this zone. So yeah, I didn't even want to trade it on this range, but we didn't have a choice really. It's been in this range for days now. Let's see.
I just don't like when we get so desperate, because then I remember you always say, go and remember the trade that went really well and it was easy, and then compare the setup, and then I go like, oh well, it's not exactly.
Yeah, it is not. Yeah, I say that always. Like we had Euro USD. Euro USD was pretty good, but not the best, but it was pretty good. We had a 4-hour breakout. Yeah, I always say that. If just to remember the one of the good trades that we took, if it's not the same, that's probably not worth it. You are very right. Yeah, right now we're not having that kind of trade. You know, EuroCAD was good, but did have that good breakout and just felt wrong. I don't know. I trusted my feelings this time. It went right. So yeah, the way it was moving, it just gave me a bad feeling that it's not gonna work out. And we didn't have the best breakout too. So I skipped it. Even though 6 pips in other occasions I would take it, but good thing that I stay away. Your cat is between 2 zones. I would prefer buys over sells, even though I don't know if we're getting buys here. Probably it's getting rejected again. We're at the daily zone, having troubles breaking 3 days in a row, 3 daily candles, getting rejected. It's a pretty strong zone. Snow is gone, I removed it. Your guy, some of you guys didn't like it, so I thought, okay, let's delete it. Let's see, USD CAD. USD CAD has created a minor zone here, and we've been seeing few rejections lately on this zone. It just creating zone after zone. USD CAD is coming from a daily. It's pretty risky. Look at daily. I think I would skip this because it's a massive zone. Sorry guys, but no trade yet. We have to wait. Patience. Last week we waited 4 days, and Friday we got one. But yeah, it's just a period. You know, we had a month like this, or a week or two, like 3 months ago, or I don't know. Yeah, remember you guys, I said it's just a phase, you know, it's just a period of time. Then we went on some nice trades coming. We had like everyday trades. So same thing can be applied now. It's just a period. It's going to be slower, but we gotta wait. We have to wait, because otherwise we'll end up in a stupid trade. Maybe it would be good to take a break, but you guys are doing challenges, so we have to finish them before we take a break. Let's see. It's not that we don't have setups coming. We don't have them coming yet, but we have good zones. Whenever they break, they're gonna give us good setups. So there's hope. Still that we're gonna get something. Maybe during the day, who knows? We have a good record on the copy trader, 6% up. We need a good trade to continue this good run. November 3.6, December 2.50. You know, imagine when the good times come, January, February, March, doing 3%, 4% in hard months like this, in these tough conditions, is a great success actually. We've had months where we got like 2, 3 trades in a day. I can find you the webinars. I mean, when we got to that point, imagine how easy it's going to be to make 1 or 2% per day. It's going to be super easy. It's a good thing that we had these tough conditions because we got used to trade also in tough conditions. In easy conditions, then can be much more easier. You know how good would be to trade a GBP without thinking of GBP unexpected news. You know how easy that would be? GBP is so good when there's no news. I'm going to tell you that. Respects technicals a lot. It's easy to trade. You've seen on simulator session when we did back testing of previous years. You saw how easy it can be. So hopefully it's gonna be done soon, and we'll see. 2-3% per month. Yeah, that was this year. This last month, I think. Yeah, not previous months, because 1% can be done is a target for daily target. 3-4% for weekly, including a loss or two on it. So when we search Kosovo, it all shows armed forces. Why is that? I don't know. It doesn't. If you search Kosovo, it tells you some places and some these kind of things. I don't see army here. Do you prefer to go long over short? Yeah, I think so. I'm more a long trader. I have more buys on my history.
We are bulls, bro.
Yeah. I'm thinking about EJ, but it did the move. Look, let me see the stats here, actually. You see, even on CTrader, I have more trades, long trades. Than short ones. 74% of my trades were long and 25% were short. So yeah, that just shows that I have more buys than sells. Euro US dollar, a break above. Yeah, this is a good idea actually. We talked about this a bit. We'll see. See the 4-hour. 4 hours pretty much the same level. we have this small range if we break on the 1 hour that we can fill. It's around 15 pips, not bad. I like the fact that we got rejected first here. Even though if it would be rejecting from this, would be better, but we'll see. EJ, I don't know actually. EJ, it came pretty close to next support. If it comes, you know, the thing is, we are 20 minutes in. Coming for a retest all the way up here, probably is going to take another 20 minutes. Who knows? It's going to be closer to candle close, and the 4 hour is going to be a whole big rejection. I don't know if it's going to be, if I would be comfortable taking it while seeing the 4 hour reject all the way like that. I'd probably skip it. Simulator session tonight probably. I'm doing them Monday nights, because you know on the weekend it's a bit hard to do it because it's a weekend. When we get in that working mode on Monday, then it's easy. Monday nights like previous weeks. Because working mode is on since Monday. See, but you have to be there, okay, Gabor? Because you're missing every time. You're AUD. First of all, your AUD is a bit risky. So, second, stop loss is very small. On EA, it's too risky to trade with such a small stop. 8 pips, or how much you've used there, maybe 10. I don't like EA just for the fact that it's on a very weird position here. We have support on daily. It's a strong zone. It's better to skip it, because EA can result in a fake out easy as that, you know. And the breakout candle is very close to support, so you can't use that logic of putting stop loss above the breakout candle. I've said before, not every time you can do that. It's too close to support. It doesn't mean to put above, because it can be here also. So where you can put stop loss here, because it wouldn't make sense. You got to give it more room. But personally, I wouldn't suggest taking EA right now. I'd say better skip it. Let's just wait, because EU looks still bullish, I think. EU, no, I was thinking about euro pairs. Euro pairs are still look bullish. We have to wait. And
so you'll skip EJ as well?
Yeah, I'm skipping EJ. Skipping EJ because I don't like the 4 hour rejection here. We've had candles before rejecting from the same level. I thought of taking it right away if it comes for retest, but it moved first. So it's a bit risky. Yeah, the thing is also we have a 4 hour close coming up. So this could be very nice. You know, your cat might give us a 4 hour breakout, who knows? It could be epic. If the 4 hour breaks above, it's gonna be epic. We had a 1 hour break before, and then when we get the 4 hour breakout, it's a double confirmation. I'll take EuroCAD if the 4 hour breaks. Final answer. If 4 hour breaks, we're taking it. Let's see, it's pretty close. We just need another 10 pips push in 30 minutes. I think that's very possible. EuroCAD, if it breaks, we have a good range. On the 1 hour, we have a small zone around here. So I think that can be the next target for us, the first target. That's a 20 pip range almost. EuroCAD at 4 hour resistance. Phil, where are you, man? We just been talking about that the last 10 minutes. We are waiting for the 4 hour breakout. Yes, it's a 4 hour resistance. 30 minutes, we get a 4 hour close. We close above 4 hour resistance. On the left, it's a mess, so I'm not gonna look here on the left. I'm looking at what's happening now in real time. Because if we look left, we can't even take a trade based on what we have on left. It's a whole big consolidation. So we'd rather focus on what's happening now. We got this zone, very strong one, rejecting all the way for a few days. Now we're gonna close above. If this close like this, we have a good trade in our hands. If it goes above, it's even better. But the thing is, if it goes above the previous candle, I don't expect price to come all the way down then. It's a tough situation. It can go straight to the next zone.
Wow, look at EJ rejection. Wow, look at EuroCAD.
Oh man, it's gonna go to the next zone.
Man, it stopped me out, you know? Stopped me out for like 3 pips, it went down, and now it's...
Yeah, what's deep retest? Bro, just search no copyright coffee house jazz. Coffee house jazz, calm jazz music. I don't know what is that. search on Google, you'll find it. Let's see. Next zone is on 10 pips from current price. Hopefully it stays here. I hope it stays here, doesn't go too far, because then I can't expect a retest. Hello from Reunion Island. What? You guys are making me search all these places on Google. Reunion Island. Where is that? Oh. What? This is nice. Do you want to change the places? La terre vous du ciel. Did I spell your name not right? I love French. Who wants to teach me French? We'll exchange courses. Man, this place is awesome. Betu, did you see this? This is great. What a nice place this is. Wow. Wow.
What's happening with Euro USD, EuroCAD? Crazy. Man.
Yeah, they're still bullish. Still bullish. Look at the 4 hour. See, the 4 hour was close to without a top wick, so it was pretty bullish. I think just did a deeper retest of the zone. And now it's pushing. Hopefully it doesn't go to the next zone. Stays around here. Dubai, hello Dubai. I'll come to Dubai soon. Yes, let's wait. If it comes, because it looks like it's going straight to the next zone. Thing is, we got another 25 minutes left. We can have a whole move to the upside if the momentum is pretty strong, as it looks like it is. We'll see. Waiting. Hope it doesn't go more than this. Need to stay around here so we can enter on the pullback. We have a good chance. It's gonna be a 4 hour breakout too. So what else we can ask more than a 4 hour breakout? You too, Dubai. Okay, perfect. A lot of people in Dubai. Gonna meet when I come. Yes, lots of people from South Africa. Do you ever trade indexes, or how do they call? Have experience from before, but I don't know really about trading break and retest on them. So they're not, they don't move just by technical, so it's not as easy. Thing is now, your cat is almost to the next zone. Am I going to trust this or not? Because it's going to be a 4-hour breakout too. It's tricky a bit. We'll see. We gotta see on the last minute what happens. That's important. If anything that happens before that, it's not really important. USD coming. Nice. No, too far. CAD JPY dropped all the way down. Aussie dollar rejecting, USD CAD rejecting. Yeah, we'll see. Let's see. Maybe Euro US dollar gives us something. Who knows? Last digits are cut off. They're not here. 1.21600 is the EU level. Platform, this is TradingView, guys. If you don't know this, I don't know. TradingView is known everywhere. You're missing something if you don't know. EuroCAD, okay, EuroCAD, see. These are the levels on EuroCAD. Yeah, CAD JPY had a breakout, but was too weak, like 2 pips. It's not enough for us. 2 pips is not enough. If we want to have a good trade, we need a good breakout too. Wouldn't make sense to take a trade with 2 pips breakout. What broker? Pepperstone IC Markets, Blackwood Markets, Traders Domain. You have plenty. Just pick and choose. Different options. You can test them. You can do lots of things. See if it fits you. Test the withdrawals. Everything. You can see how fast they do withdrawals. All these kind of things. It's pretty easy these days to know what broker is good, what not, because you can test them all. You can test them. Oh. Ever tried BD Swiss? No. Yeah, we know they're gonna change leverage, but probably gonna give solutions with that. Not very worried about that because we have plenty of other brokers. We'll see. They give us some solutions. No worries, because they're not gonna lose all the clients because of that. No worries about that. Okay, just a few more minutes. Just a few more minutes, and we're already there.
Is yet if you
Yes.
look at stays like this at the end of this hour, it will be a 4-hour breakout as well, so it should come deeper, right? Or you will take it here only.
Sorry. Yeah, so a 4 hour is almost the same as 1 hour. If it comes deeper, I don't know where more deeper than this, might come maybe 5 pips, 6, 7 pips deeper, but I don't think it's gonna come too deeper if it comes for a retest. This should be the level that should come for a retest. I'm just worried about if it's gonna be a rejection, but since a 4 hour trade, 4 hour breakout, I do trust this. Oh, on that level, no, I think I'll wait for a deeper retest than that, because that's too early to enter.
Yeah, that's what I was concerned about.
Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait for a retest around here like this, at least. We'll see. The next zone is around here. Does it seem like a rejection? It might be. I don't know. It's a 4 hour breakout. Good confirmation for us. Which level is stronger? This one or this one? So we have so much more rejection at this level. I think this level shouldn't be a problem for us. It's a minor zone. So let's see. Waiting for a few more minutes. So you took 2 trades, 1 win, 1 loss. So your account should call it a day. It's your choice. You're at break even. You took already 2 trades, not even a beginning of a day. What did you take? Oh yeah, you told me about GU. So another trade win, so it's your choice. If you're still at break even, you still have 1 more trade to take. Why not? You took 2 trades in this early morning. You have a whole day ahead. Maybe you rushed it a bit. Your choice. If you're still on break even, you can still take another trade. Let's see. If it closes like this, the worst close ever. See the 4 hour. It all matters on the last minute. Right now it doesn't really matter where it closes. Look, GJ looks like it's at support right now. Also getting rejected from resistance. We'll see what happens. GU, it's not doing anything really. We have a resistance right here. Previous candle got rejected, and then we have the next one pretty close. I think I'm not trading GBP pairs right now. because you can have GBP news coming up any time, any minute. You never know. If your cat pullbacks all the way to around here, that would be the worst thing ever, because we're missing out in a good setup here. Doesn't matter that it got rejected now, because you have another 10 minutes. You can still close around here. You can never know. Or it can come all the way close bearish. Who knows? 10 minutes are very big in Forex. A lot of things can happen in 10 minutes. Ash, we just said we're not trading GBP. Okay, Hypno, see you, man. We're not taking GBP pairs because it's risky. Unexpected news can come anytime. You never know. We have some news on Euro coming up, 10 minutes. It's low and medium. I don't know if it's gonna have much effect on it, but if it's that high impact, I'm not really worried about it. European equities up to cash open. Brexit, Barnier speaks to voice. It's too risky to trade the GBP. Brexit, Barnier to give talks every chance of success. See, all the time we're gonna have something about Brexit. It's too risky right now. This transparent protective mask has taken on. What is this? Wow, this is good. I didn't see this first. You guys buying this mask? It looks good. I almost didn't see at all this. You can see facial expressions. My mentorship program is very easy. You just go to breakandretest.com. It's easy. You have everything here. What is include? What do we do? We have a chat group. We have another channel where I send real-time trades. We have study material, record webinars. We have simulator sessions weekly, also recorded simulator sessions. I'm 24 hours active on the group. What else do you want?
What else?
What?
Depends also on the strategy, right? Said like on how you feel comfortable. I mean, I've been to a few groups and I just felt comfortable with this group and with this strategy. And when you join a group, you have to leave all others for it to like for it to work, because sometimes you're taking trades of another strategy, then of this strategy, and then of another again, and you don't really know if it's working or not. You're just feeling bad because of losing trades. So if you choose a group, stay with the group and decide it for yourself. I decided it before, and I'm pretty happy that I'm just going with one group. I think that's what was the major thing when things changed, when I saw, okay, it's working.
Yeah, I think the best group is a group where everyone focus on one thing and everyone tries to master it.
I think we will have a great trade on EuroCAD.
Let's see, guys. See you, Ed. Have a nice day. Can you ask Beto why he chose 100k instead of 300k onFtimo? Because you gotta start with 100k first, man. Why you gotta rush to go with 300k right away? You gotta pass one first, then go for another one, then go for another one.
Yeah, you can also do all three at one time, but I need to see if I pass one first.
Yeah.
I'm planning to do the others, like other two, if I pass the verification, and if also if not, but my goal is for next year to do two other FTMO challenges and to pass them as well. So my goal is to trade 240 or 300k on FTMO next year, and until the end of the next year.
Yeah, there's plenty of time. There's no need to rush.
Yeah, that will be my big goal for next year. Then I can just like how do you call it? Finish my job and then trade full time. Is it finishing job? Like quitting.
Yeah, quitting.
Yeah. Yeah, my FCMO trades are the ones that we trade all together, and also some stupid trades that I take by myself.
No, they're good. They're not stupid.
Yeah, these times are pretty hard. So last week was pretty hard, let's say that way. And then the not last Friday, but the Friday before, I took two huge losses on GBP, GU first and GJ because of Brexit news. Yeah. Bro are from Germany, friend of Seat. I'm from Azerbaijan, but yes. Think twice, Beatty, before quit your job. Yeah. I have to think. I will think more than twice, bro. Because I'm moving next year as well. I'm moving to another apartment.
Hopefully, good things are coming soon.
Marrying, everything happens.
Yeah, lots of things coming up.
Said, when did you marry?
Bro, don't ask me in front of my wife, because I don't know the date.
Oh, I mean year.
3 years, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I got engaged 4 years ago and married 3 years ago. And I'm 24. See, good things are done early. There's no need to wait. Does your now wife know that you're married? No, don't tell her. You're 24, yes, I am. Is that hard to believe?
Yeah, bro, it's hard to believe, to be honest. 24 and killing Forex already.
Yeah, started early. That's the best thing that I've done. I started early, and yeah, that's why I gave myself time,
Bro, it's a good
when I
record,
started. 24, man. The hell? 34? Do I look like I'm going for 40 years old? Started in 2016. 2016, 4 years. We're going for the 5th year soon. Coming soon. In 5 years, I'll be 10 years experience.
It's coming. Are we taking?
Are we taking? Yeah, but needs to come lower than this. See, the 4 hour has more room to come for a retest, so we're not gonna rush this.
Said, would you take a small entry at 1.55 even because of the psychological level, or?
No, I don't really care for the psychological level. But, tricky, because we can reject from this, but we can also come deeper. So, thing is, it's almost 10 pips range. It's gonna be too early to enter here. But I mean, you can take a small position if you want. Just if I enter here, chance of coming lower or higher, and or high, and will end up in a 10 pips drawdown. Then another 10 to use a stop loss. It's too big then. Let me see how many pips is the zone here. Oh, 6-7 pips. Not bad. Let's switch to 4 hour. 4 hour. No, I actually think it's not bad. Yeah, let's see. Let's see. I'm gonna enter half here. Enter half, and if it comes lower, we're gonna enter another half.
Why are you going to enter half out there on this line?
Because it's 4 hours lower. This is not the support we have. This was just a high made the previous breakout that resulted in a fake out. 4 hour is lower here, so this is a 6 pip range we want to enter because we might get rejected from here too. That's the reason. Let's see, half at 960, 980, 970, around here. 900 is the support we have also on the 4 hour. Yeah, I'd rather to wait for price to come lower actually. It's just that we'll see. It is coming. The breakout on EuroCAD is perfect. Cannot be better than this. It is coming. It's a 4 hour breakout. This should be good. This should be good. I'm just gonna wait for a little lower to come. From this, see the next level, it's 10 pips from here. So we need to better pull back here. Deeper one. Let's see. Tune Master, what are you doing on YouTube, man? You are part of us now. Come join the Zoom. No. It's gonna start to reject from here now.
Take a small one, bro. It's like drugs. Take a small one, bro.
Just a line. Tune Master, link is not working. Try the last one. This one here, see on the group. I replied to it.
Okay,
On the group chat.
Where you wanted to.
It came?
Yeah, it's there.
No, not yet. Needs to come lower.
Oh, okay.
Okay, it's coming. It is coming a little lower. Yeah, entering one now would be nice, actually. I'm gonna take one here. But if it comes lower, I'll take another one. Stop loss, I'm gonna use, let's see. 13 pips, yeah, 13, 14 pips, stop loss. Just below this breakout candle here. That's gonna be my stop loss. First target is here. First target. If it comes lower, I'm gonna enter more, because the A 4 hour, it's going to make a deeper retest.
Sad, don't forget to don't forget to announce this trade in the group.
Yeah, I did. My wife did.
Thank you.
Okay, guys. I entered another position here. Let's see. It might come a little bit lower. But I think we're good now. We should continue up.
Let's go.
What about GBPUSD, sir? GBPUSD is nowhere to be found right now. It's nothing happening there.
Good morning, everyone. Or afternoon almost now.
Morning.
Welcome.
Been watching the stream for a year. First time joining.
Great to have you here with us.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Hopefully, you're gonna find some great value here.
Hopefully, I don't jinx this first trade.
Usually, most of the guys entering the group, they have started with a profitable trade. So hopefully, you're gonna be one of them.
We'll find out soon enough.
Yes, sir. Let's see. Your CAD buys. Yes, we are on buys right now. We have a 4-hour breakout. We have a 1-hour breakout. So it's a double confirmation for us. What can I say? It's a perfect setup. All we need is some continuation. What if this is going to be a fake out? Well, what are the chances of being a fake out? Chances of continuation are, I think, much more higher in this setup here. We have better chance of continuation than chance of fake out. Chances of fake out are more higher when price, let's say, it's coming from another zone or the breakout is caused by the news, but we don't have any of these right now. All we have is a 4-hour break and retest, also 1 hour. We can have a deeper retest. This is where right 4-hour support is, and I'm expecting some more continuation after that. Yeah, unless something unexpected comes, I don't see why this shouldn't continue up. Let's see.
If this hits 549, I'm going to take my second entrance there.
Where?
At 549, 1.549.
Yeah, 900. Yeah,
Exactly.
That can be another entry. Yeah. I already entered two right now, so I'm not gonna enter anymore. I'm just gonna keep these two that I have. Let's see. Have my entry at 970, I think. Yeah, 900 is even a better entry. So if you get the chance to enter, why not?
The other day, I heard somebody on here like they had put a lower second entry and they were hoping it goes down. In my case, I've got half my lot in there anyway. If it goes up now, I'm happy. We all winning. I prefer that than
Yeah.
it coming down for my second entrance.
Carlos was when we
Exactly.
were.
Last week, I was
Yeah.
like, "What are you doing, bro?" And then it starts storming down.
No, no, no. It's no worry because we all wanted to come higher. EURUSD was the trade, I think. He was saying, "Come on, come higher," and
Yeah.
we were already in sus.
Exactly. I was like, "Bro."
Yeah, it doesn't matter because we wanted a better entry to come, so it was just the first entry. So coming deeper was good for everyone. But yeah, let's see. Yeah, I think your cat is it's already came enough, so no need to pray to come lower.
It's all done now.
Yeah, good, good. We're having a rejection. That's a good sign. We have no top wick. That can be a good thing for us.
Sad when we zoom out on the 1 hour and we are looking from like major zone to major zone.
Yeah.
Would you see 1.55500 as a possible target, or would you say that's way too far?
Well, maybe it's a bit too extended, but I think a real, you know, a good target as an extended target is 55300. That can be, acceptable maybe after it passes 100 here, this zone that we have. But we have a good breakout, 1 hour, 4 hour breakout, good momentum. I think we should go bullish the next few minutes, hopefully. I don't see how this is gonna go all the way down because it makes no sense. We have good confirmation, so all we gotta do is wait now. Patience. I think at least this is gonna go bullish. Give us at least 10 pips. The least it can do.
I noticed this morning that you had the correct feelings on this trade because there was another break and retest in the morning, but you didn't take it. Was there anything looking back at that one that you really didn't like?
I didn't like. I didn't like. First of all, the breakout was weak, if I can say. It was only like 6 pips. In a different kind of situation, maybe I would take it. But at just that time, the way it started to move to a downside, I didn't really like it. I just had a bad feeling. I don't know. And the daily, daily also was, a 6 pips break above the daily. That's not a good sign. But if you look at it now it's second time, so chances are much more higher, and you have a 14 pips breakout. So everything is the chances now are all higher than the first try. So yeah, I trust it more because also now we have a 4 hour breakout. So what's a better setup than a 1 hour and 4 hour breakout? We don't usually you don't usually get this. Both time frames breakout. Usually it's a very strong confirmation. So yeah, we'll see. Also, the way the candles are forming, we have very good chance of continuation here. I'm not using a bigger stop here. I think there's no need because see, last time this was a 4 hour support too, and we kind of were in between these two zones. So this candle coming all the way here wouldn't make any sense, and that would be probably a good sign that, or a sign that price is going to be a fake out probably. So I think this is enough for a stop loss for your cat. And if it happens to come here, I'm going to try to close the trade. No need to use a 20 pip stop when we have all the signs ahead of us to tell us that this is going to go against us. So right now we have good signs of some continuation. These are the first minutes of the 1 hour and 4 hour open, so we have plenty of time. We have to remember that it's a 4 hour breakout too, so it may take up to 4 hours to work out. That's only one thought that you need to be reminded. And also it can work out in 10 minutes, you never know. When there's good momentum, you can expect, a pretty fast push to the upside. But we're gonna wait. We need patience. We're gonna wait until it starts to show. Right now we're having rejections. That's a good sign. We're gonna wait. This is the first trade for this week and for today, yes.
It's a Monday. Calm.
Yeah, it's also Monday. We have a whole week ahead of us. See, there's never the need to rush the trades. There's gonna come sooner or later. It's all about patience, waiting, and you get set up. There was no need to rush for buys in that morning, early morning, when see now we got the way better setup. If I would take the first trade and would get stopped, I would have reasons. I would have reasons. I would have, I would be saying it's my fault because I didn't wait for the 4 hour or something like that, or it was a weak breakout. There would be plenty of reasons to blame myself. But right now, it would be the market, the one to blame if we lose, let's say. Even though it's never the market's blame, it's ours. But here we have a good choice. We had good confirmation. Even if we get stopped, we did everything that we have to do most of the time. We waited for all confirmations. We wait for the retest for the 4 hour close, 1 hour. We have more than 10 pips breakout, everything we need. So this should be a very nice trade.
Also, from listening to you over the weeks, I feel that you're taking less trades in general now than a couple of years ago. So the mindset changes a little bit. You have to be a bit more calm and patient, but normally you get more winners, more efficiency.
Yeah. Less trades than before we have now, of course, but we have, we're waiting for better setups. We're not just taking anything. We're just taking the best setup possible. We talked about before that just thinking about a very good trade we took before and see if this is the same as that one. Is this the worth taking it as that good trade that we had before? So it is. This one is. It fills all the requirements that we have when taking a trade. No, indicators, I think they're not needed. They're not needed really. Why would you need an indicator here? I think I know a lot of people say the more confluences you have, the more uh, as a confirmation, the better the trade. But I think we have enough here. There's no need for indicators to tell us anything. When you have candles are everything you need here. They're all telling everything you need here. Candles tells us the direction, and right now they're telling us something, and it's a pretty obvious setup. Does your wife know how to trade? Yes, she knows, of course. She made 300% last 2 months. So she knows pretty well. Trying to link her account with my FX book, but my FX book can be a bit complicated sometimes.
Bro, they don't know that you both are the market makers.
Gabo, I got stopped on the first trade, yes.
You took full loss, bro.
Yes.
Bro, you are getting stubborn.
What am I? What am I?
Stubborn.
I didn't get that, bro. Sorry.
Stubborn.
Stubborn.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I don't know the word. Let me.
I don't know
Bro, there
how
are
to
many
say.
chances.
Oh, oh,
Close.
I see. Yeah, yeah. There were chances to go get out, of course, but I saw this huge rejection, and then I was okay. I was almost stopped out already, you know. So I accepted the loss already, and when it was almost like when it had a big rejection, I was like, okay, this can be, like this can turn bullish. So that's why I stayed in.
Don't
It's
give excuses, bro.
no, bro. I talk with Aga as well.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, I said, exit if you want, but it's your choice. Beto made the choice to stay, so yeah, he accept the loss. All good, move on to the next one.
Yeah. Next.
It's not that you didn't have a reason to take it, because you had a reason. You know, it was a breakout, not very good, but
It's okay. Learning every day.
of course, of
So
course.
due to that, I've like made a rule that if it retraces all the way back to my stop loss, and if it comes back, I closed everything. I will close everything, and it has helped me like save my many trades.
Oh, so if it's like really close to your stop loss and didn't stop you out and comes back to your entry, you are exiting?
Yes, like if it if I've taken a buy on ECAD, and if this current candle comes all the way to this bullish to the bottom of this bullish candle, and if then it retraces back, I will close.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that's what we did before, because the fact that price comes all the way down here and doesn't stop you out, then rejects, somehow it just you don't feel more any more comfortable. So you're gonna get out. Also, it just gives you a sign that might be a fake out. So instead of waiting for a whole pullback to the upside, you just exit and you don't take that chance because it might go either way. Yeah, the same thing I do also sometimes. It makes a
Yeah.
lot of sense. Why not? You just don't feel more any more comfortable when you see price coming go a whole rejection from the top to come here. If this candle would come all the way here and wouldn't stop me for a pip or two, then reject, I would probably close that break even because I wouldn't trust it anymore. That's what Ash said he does too. So yeah, it's a good thing to do. Why not just avoid losses? Better to take a small loss than wait for that big push. It may happen, but it's not as the same as it would be on the first retest without doing deep retest. Deep retest are not that good. Usually they it depends on the setup, but it's a bad sign most of the time. It might be a fake out.
And also, bro, if I also don't wait for those 2 3 pips, I just close at minus 2 3 pips or whatever, because most of the time when I wait for it to come to my full break even entry, I end up taking that
Yeah,
loss.
yeah. You shouldn't be waiting for the perfect, to be 0-0. Take a 2 pips loss. Take a 2 3 pips loss, because it won't make much of a difference. But it can make a difference because if you wait for the whole pullback, because you can go the whole different way again, and you might not get a chance again to exit at break even. Yeah, just like Lejek, it took a 3 pips loss. That's way better than taking a full loss. Why not? Okay, very nice. Your cat is pushing. Your cat is pushing now. Pretty good. Nice. Okay, if we're gonna go bullish, game over. I closed my worst position because it was not that good, leaving my best position to run. Hello, sir. Buy or not? Sir, if you don't know what this is, I don't know what to tell you, sir. I don't know, sir. What should I tell you? Your cat, very nice rejection. If this turns bullish, game over. We're going all the way up. The only thing what would bother me is once this turns bullish, goes to 1.55 100, that could be a point where we could reject. So I think all of you should secure some profits there if it goes. Right now we're having good signs. Price is pushing slowly. So let's see. Should be a first target for you guys. Let's go your cat. Turn bullish. Once we turn bullish, game over. Should move at least another 10 pips from here. Four-hour doesn't have a top wick, also 1 hour, so this should be good.
Sad, wouldn't you say that 1.55 170 is the next zone?
170?
Yeah. This it matches with the left side. Like it matches better with the left side in my opinion.
Oh, this one.
Yes.
But we have zone after zone, so here we have also rejections. Also get 10 pips or more, so why not secure some? Nice, we are bullish now. Let's go. Another push here. Another push to the next zone. Let's go, your cat. Shouldn't be hard for you.
Oh, nice.
Very nice. Let's go, let's go. We have another 5 pips that we should push. The thing is, when we pass the previous candle, I wouldn't like to see price coming all the way to my entry. That's the whole thing. So we better secure some. I'm still gonna wait. Still don't have, how many pips we have here? Almost 10. But I need more than 10. At least should come at 100 here. Look, the thing is, we need some patience here. If we move our stop too early, you know, of course I don't like seeing this come all the way down again, but it's a 4 hour break and retest too. This might take up 2-3 hours maybe. You could have this candle stay here for another hour, then next one start to move up. So we just have to stay calm here, not to rush, because we could go all the way up and fill this range. Look, it took days to break this level, and we're finally above. We should have a bigger move. What did we say before? Uh, Anytime, always, whenever we have a big consolidation box, we should expect a big move after it breaks. Same thing here. We took so much time to break above, and now we're finally above. We have a good breakout. We have a 4 hour breakout too. We should have some big move to the upside, but we shouldn't be greedy that much, so we don't ask for too much. A move to this next zone, maybe another 10 pips would be perfect. Filling the whole range would be a bonus for us. So we'll see. Waiting now. We got a good rejection, good sign. We can still continue. It's only the first 30 minutes. Plenty of time. It's a 4 hour breakout. Maybe I'm repeating it too much, but just letting you know that we have time. Forgot that it's almost 12 a.m. Usually this time I stop streaming, but I'm gonna stay. Let's be done with this trade. That looks like a fake out because there are a lot of wicks on the left side on 4 hours time frames. This looks like a fake out? I don't know. How do you see this as a fake out? No idea how do you see this as a fake out, because maybe you're thinking it's gonna be a fake out. If you think that it's gonna be a fake out, it's just a thinking. You are trading what we see. If we see doing a fake out, then we think that is a fake out, but we don't see a fake out right now. Right now it's a break and retest, and it's a pretty good break and retest. Let's go bullish and have some more push to the upside. Be done with this trade. Good start to a Monday, and move on to the next day then. If you came late, just go back like a few minutes ago. You can see. If you are a regular here, once you see this, you know that I'm in a trade. If you are new, I said I'm taking a position here, I'm taking a buy. I explained everything, guys. Do some small work, go a few minutes behind and see what I said. So I don't repeat same things over and over and over again, because I might sound boring then. FTMO MT4 hasn't finished the 4 hour candle. It doesn't really matter. You have the 1 hour, so it's pretty much the same. They just have a different time when 4 hour candles close. Let's go your cat turn bullish, another 5-10 pips. It's easy then. Inverted head and shoulder. Well, you can put anything you want on it. You can even put Fibonacci or anything, but for me, what I see here is enough. I don't need inverted head and shoulders. I use head and shoulders only to wash my hair.
Damn.
Bro, getting a good trade on Monday is so good. Just like a head start to the week.
Yeah, starting with a win is great because you get motivated then for the rest of the week.
My last 2-3 Mondays were like break even or a loss. So this
Don't
Monday.
say it loud, bro.
No, say it.
No.
We need to know.
Be afraid.
So, because Monday can be good for someone, can be bad for someone. But we had good Mondays, bad Mondays, both. I can't say Mondays are not good because they were pretty good sometimes. Remember EJ? We took the other time when we had also news helping it out. Like gave us 100 pips, so it was good Monday. We had also other Mondays that were good. So it's 50-50. Sometimes can be good, sometimes can be bad. Today we have a good setup. Can start this day with a good way. So let's see. Your cat's still same place. Nothing big happening right now. Good thing that we're staying. As long as we stay above, we're good. Nothing to worry about. Do you think that GU will go down? Because I have a big trade on sell. I don't know. Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. Because I'm having internet problems again. Oh, thank God. It didn't close everything like before. Good, we're back. Yes, we are back.
Bro, someone is taking more positions.
Yeah, I heard that. We can see you. We can hear you.
It was me, but I was not taking more position. I was moving
Moving.
my TP.
Still waiting. 4 hours still good. Thing to worry about. We're still good. We're still good. Let's see. Let's see. Even if we don't get the whole move in this candle, we still have other candles after this. The important thing is that we have to close above like this on the 1 hour.
Given it's a 4-hour break and retest, if it closes below on the 1 hour, does that really negate the whole trade?
If 1 hour closes below,
or if 1 hour closes below the zone, it's still not the 4-hour close. So does that
yep,
does that still stop the 4-hour break and retest?
most of the time I would close it.
Okay.
I would close it because it's just a sign of that can be a fake out. Even though 4 hour is much better confirmation, but when you see 1 hour close back in the range, 1 hour can have also big impact. So usually I would close at break even if it gives me the chance. Whoever feels that it's risky, don't take it. We're not telling you to take it. It's your choice to make here. It's all on you. You choose when to take it, when not. This is what we do. If you don't like it, you can just skip it. You can just take your time to learn, see how it works. I told you to take it? No, I didn't. No, I didn't. Why are you lying? Are you affiliated with Weeks Don't Lie? How? How do you mean are you affiliated? We are friends. Let's go, your cat. Let's go. Taking too much time. But you gotta have to be patient here. Patience at the highest level. Four hour is so good, man. 4 hour is so good. This should fly. Maybe until the end of the day, we might see filling the whole range to the upside. That could be an option. How did we meet Raja? Oh, we were walking and then we got like.
Bro, he
How do
came
we
to
say?
Kosovo. Came to Kosovo once.
I was about to say something, but I didn't find the words. Just met on Instagram, like everyone else. Instagram is the place we all met each other. Do you think it's gonna fly next hour? I don't know. We have some delays. It's snowing. Maybe it's gonna take more time. Thank you for your understanding. Let's see. We might push now. Who knows? Last few minutes sometimes can be a time where price moves.
Let's see.
But even if it doesn't move, next candle should. It's a 4 hour, guys. It's a 4 hour. It can take up to 4 hours. Who knows?
Yes.
We once went bullish, so we can do it again. Let's see. It was just not enough. 10 pips was not enough. We need 20.
3 hours and 10 minutes for this 4 hour to close anyway, so
Yes, plenty of time.
just make sure your stop loss is good and everything is fine.
Yeah, as long as 1 hour close like this, it's great. Once 1 hour, if I would see 1 hour closing around here, that's when I would think of closing. But right now, we don't really have a reason why. Plenty of time. Or if price would push straight to a downside with somehow with Brexit news or something. Otherwise, we are good. We're good. Just wait. Yeah, patience. You know, I was very patient before, but now I'm super patient because
I was
I
thinking
have
that you'll I was thinking that you'll say I'm not patient anymore because of my conditions or something.
no. Now I'm super patient because I have more responsibility now when I give a trade. There are so many people watching. I have to choose carefully what I take, what I don't take. Look, I have to be a good example for you guys. Who's gonna be if I'm not gonna be? So if you guys are patient, I gotta be super patient.
Yes.
The Godfather. You should change the name of the group. Some Italian name. If it was a sell, would put the magnet guy, but for buys we don't have one yet. Let's see, let's wait. Waiting. I'm risking only 0.80%. I'm not even risking a full 1% here. I think so. Or 1% at least. Don't want to lose more than 1%. It's more than enough. And aiming for 1% win, of course. Inverted magnet, no, it's not working on the inverted.
Maybe you need to put two magnets together at the bottom. Get the propulsion away.
Oh. Gotta find one the other way for buys.
When Raja tried though, it failed spectacularly, so it always jinxed the trades. The market watchers are looking.
If 1 hour close like this, we're still good, because this is not where support is. This was the previous high created by this candle. That's not where support is. This is where support is. Unless we close below this support, We have no reason. So I think we're still good. Let's see, we have another 7 minutes. 7 minutes to see how it's gonna close. If it closes like this, still gonna hold. But what is the plan here? Look, if this candle closes like this and next one pushes all the way above here, I think I'm gonna take some here because it creates a resistance if it rejects again there and moves stop at break even. So we'll see about that. What is really happening with GU on long term? We don't know. There's no deal yet. Rejecting again, good. Not bad. Let's see, let's see.
Let's see, let's wait.
Waiting and waiting and waiting. So much patience on the last few weeks. Crazy patience. Can you buy your cat now? I don't know. It's your choice. You choose for yourself. Is it a bad idea to get enough time as first entry? You choose. It's still above, still a good setup. I don't know then. What is really happening with AUDJPY on long term? Who knows? King, your questions are special. What's really happening with GU on the long term? What's really happening?
They are questions that require a lot of research and effort. But if you get the right answer, I'm sure you make a lot of money.
On the long term, who knows? We don't really know on the long term. We try to catch something on day-to-day basis. Good rejection. If we stay like this, next candle should push up. If we pass above the previous high, we're gonna move all the way up. What is the future of mankind? The end is near. We're gonna take profit very soon and be done with this world. It's creating a minor support on 15 minutes. Well, I have no idea about 15 minutes. I don't even look at them. I don't look at them because they create doubts in my trading style, and that's why I removed low time frames, because they can create distraction. 30 minutes can tell you different, 1 hour can tell you different. You can't make all time frames tell you the same thing. It's very hard. So you have to choose either with lower time frames or high time frames. I don't know. Maybe you can make work all of them together, but it's pretty hard. So I choose 1 hour, 4 hour. Most of the time they're perfect for me. So
Sad.
Yeah.
Do you remember that one trade where it was on EJ, where we didn't hold the trade, we exited it because it was ranging on the 1 hour, and then when we closed it, or when we moved our stop loss and it hit us, it just moved up.
It made like 50 pip
Was that
move.
last week?
Yeah, no, I think it was 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, let me find it. It took
I caught that one.
4 hours, and then on the 4th hour, it moved all the way up.
Yeah, I think it was there, right there where your mouse is at. Yes.
This one?
Yeah, I think it was this one.
Yeah, I think this one was. See this one? We took the breakout 1 hour. We waited 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. On the 4th hour, when it came all the way down, we said, okay, we're closing at break even now. Then it just made the rejection. Look at the move after that. See,
Crazy.
like we didn't have enough patience there. We had to wait for it, like either stop loss or take profit. But it was a good lesson.
Because the more market doubt is created for your buys there, the more retailers get out, the easier it is for them to take their money and go up.
Yeah. EuroCAD, it's not good. It's not good. It's coming lower.
Gotta remember what you just said about the 4 hour,
Yeah, but I also said if it closes below, it's not good. Even though it's not below yet, it just last minutes come price pushing down, it can close back in the range. It can be a bit risky. If it closes like this, I can see a next candle creating a wick here, possibly. See the 4 hour. 4 hour is a pretty big rejection, pullback. It's right at support. Yeah, it might take a little. It might come a little lower. I think stop loss is good, unless it makes some deep pullbacks. We'll see. Do you ever hold your trades? What am I doing now? I'm holding. When I close, I'm not holding. When I'm holding, I'm still in a trade. I don't understand that question. Maybe you mean, do you hold your trades for long term? If that's the question, then most of the time, no. Most of the time. 1 hour closed above, I think we're good. We're still above. We're still above. Do we have any kind of news? No, we don't. We're clean today, unless some Brexit unexpected news come. I think so. Let's see. If this now this should go all the way bullish and create a new high. But if I see rejections here, I'll probably move my stop at break even, because it's going to be rejecting from this zone. We'll see. We have plenty of time, but the thing is, I'm gonna have to go because I've been here for 3-4 hours. Is that right?
I'd be so tired just talking about the charts the whole time, keeping everyone occupied, looking at the questions, asking if you're holding trades. Like, bro.
Yeah, it's not easy. It's not an easy job. Yeah, gonna have to go, guys. But yeah, we'll keep in touch in the group. For our YouTube guys, what can I say? Right now, either stop loss or take profit, I think. Because if they decide to go down, it's not going to leave you for price to close around here and then close at break even. So yeah, right now we're pretty good. We have no reason to close right now. Price is pushing. Good, the retest is perfect. So you have to choose where to take profits. At 100, I'm thinking about mine. We'll see then. If you want more, you can hold, but better to secure some. Once we come to this zone, we're securing some, okay? Then we'll see if we can continue more. 4 hour is very promising. We'll see after. For now, I can stay more than this. It's 12 p.m. Sorry guys, 4 hours. 4 hours is a lot.
You gotta pay for more.
Okay guys, see you in the group. We'll keep in touch. We'll discuss everything happens. Right now we're good, nothing to worry about, and we'll continue there. See you for now. Thank you all for being here.
Thank you, Seth.
nice day, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Have a nice few minutes, and we'll talk right away. See you guys. See you. Thank you. Thank you. Leave a like if you liked it. If you don't like it, then what can I do? Hopefully, we'll get better. See you for today. This is gonna be nice, no worries. If not, it's just another trait. Have a beautiful Monday.